Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this video, I just want to talk about does anime content would be good if you upload it on YouTube. So here my own standpoint, my viewpoint on this case, and to be honest, I have no experience to creating anime content such as a One Piece cartoon, One Piece anime, or maybe anything anime content that from Japanese you recreate it and you do comment on it. Actually, I had no experience, but I am really sure if you jump into the anime content, they're no good no good for you, because I have several reasons about it. The first one is intellectual property. When you go in something on intellectual property issues on YouTube, it's really difficult. It perhaps you could get strikes, or you demonize, or your videos will not be able to monetize, and so on and so on. Intellectual property is really issue on YouTube, and then they took it really seriously. So I don't recommend you to play with intellectual property content. So that's why anime, I think it's no good, or not really good, not so niche of content if you want to start as a YouTube. Secondly, it is really high effort. If you see many anime creator here on YouTube, yes, there are bunch of them, really many of them. I believe they do their content, they work on their content is really high effort, especially because they try to avoid the intellectual property issue, they try to avoid to piracy issue. It's really high effort how to edit a anime content to make it such as a small area, so the YouTube algorithm will not detect the intellectual property, and so on and so on. It's really high effort, and I believe you will get very small amount of money. So once again, I don't recommend you to play or to start a YouTube as a anime niche. And lastly, are you smarter? What I mean about this is, if you think you are smarter than YouTube or YouTube people or YouTube engineers, you're not. Really, you're not. Don't even think about that you could strive on YouTube using a black hat method, or you think you are smarter than YouTube. No, you're not. Really, I've done this several times. I've done this on my YouTube journey. That okay, I think I could, or I would make some hidden thing on the YouTube anime, or hidden tricks, so I could make the YouTube algorithm more likely, easy to find my content. And the thing is, I thought I was smarter than YouTube engineers, but actually I'm not, and you are as well. You are not smarter than YouTube. So don't even think about it. Don't even think about black hat things on this YouTube journey. So that's the three reason why you shouldn't choose anime as your YouTube content. First one, intellectual property. Anything about intellectual property issue is really difficult strive on YouTube. Second thing, anime is really high effort to editing, and so on and so on. The third things, the fundamental things when you try to upload as a content creator, never ever think about that you are smarter than YouTube algorithm or YouTube engineers. Thank you for watching. That's why that's why you should subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.